Hi, this is Les Puryear, and I'm coming to you with another easy to strum song. The song we're going to sing today is a wonderful old hymn called The Old Rugged Cross. My granddaughter is going to do the singing on the song, and she sings a lot better than I do, and y'all all know that. And I'll do the playing, and we'll have the chords for you displayed as we go. Okay, so here we go with The Old Rugged Cross.
And I love that old cross where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown.
And that was The Old Rugged Cross. I hope you enjoy playing it, and I hope you have a great day. See you later.